A square, a pizza box is square, a whole piece is round, and a piece is triangle. Wait. 두개의 동구야, 두개의 뒤가냐, 인기빙기 둘의 물에 뚝지라. No, 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 I do not want to go to Squid Games. Instead, I'll play a game. If you like and subscribe, I'll do your homework. I will comment on your video if we use the sound. I can't promise that, but I will look. Please don't make this video blow up, 'cause I'm just a small content creator. You making these videos on a cracked screen. 19 subscribers. Would you please do me a favor and hit the like button and go ahead and to me. Like and subscribe to Bonita Bailey KHS. 72. Love you guys. Remember, stay fluttering.